Hey there, everybody. Mary Beth Angelelli here. Welcome back to another video today. I wanted to do a reveal, a short reveal, to share with you the latest and greatest what the owner of 98 Unlimited has recently put together for all of us members to really help us to succeed, especially now during this busy season. We have this really simple step-by-step fast start guide. So when you join 98 Unlimited and become a paid member, you are going to have full access to this. And it's really easy to use. It's really easy to follow. Everything is mapped out, a simple blueprint, step by step, okay? What you'll do is you will log into your back office. You'll be at the dashboard, and then you will be able to go right into your profile and first and foremost set up these first 4 steps. It's all explained here in this simple fast start guide, okay, for 98 Unlimited. You set your profile up, you forward your domain, you decide how you want to get paid, you go and you set up your payment options, and then you start your traffic. That's the 4 simple steps to starting to have success with 98 Unlimited. It's really easy. This isn't rocket science. There's nothing technical here. This is a very user-friendly and newbie-friendly back office. It shows you exactly how to do this. There's even step-by-step video training tutorials for those of you who are visual learners. Really simplified, broken down in very simplistic ways and terms and verbiage. And then now we have this to help to reinforce, okay? So you can just read right through this when you become a paid member. Everything is explained very nicely in these 4 steps, okay? It even explains how to forward your domain, what to do. Here's one of our brand new capture pages. I absolutely love this. It's very high converting. Right now, it's a little over 40% or so, I believe. What does that mean? For every 100 visitors that see this page, when you start to run traffic, however you decide to advertise, approximately 40 or a little over will be opting in with their name. They'll be providing you with their name and email address, and they'll be going on to your 98 Unlimited list. And 98 Unlimited even has a built-in autoresponder completely done for you. This is a turnkey automated system, the way it's set up, and it just keeps getting better and better each and every single week. Very, very simple and automated. Everything is here for you to just basically plug and play. And I literally do mean plug and play. This is done for you. There's a great little video here. Like I say, this is brand new. And then when you opt in with your name and email, you are taken along with all of your prospects over to the sales page. And that video, folks, a brand new sales video, does all the telling, selling, and explaining for you. It'll work for you 24/7 so that you don't have to worry and stress out about talking to people. You'll never have to worry about what to say, how to go about that. I mean, this very powerful, brand new, compelling video is inside. And for those that it resonates with, it will do the job for you and get them signed up for you literally on autopilot. And I truly do mean that. And I invite you, once this video is over, just go through my system, test it out for yourself. You can see how simple it is and how compelling it is, powerful and automated. And the bottom line is it just works, okay? So you'll go here, you'll read through all this, and again, in your back office, you will also find instructions, you will find downloads, and you will find videos, step-by-step video training tutorials. Everything is here, folks. And this is just added, a little added reinforcement to help guide you through, to just make your life so much easier when you become a member of 98 Unlimited, okay? Everything's here explained for you in this guide. You know, there was the first step, now here's the second step, and here are the various payment processors. You will see these in your back office. This is the one I am currently using, Authorize.net. This enables me to accept instant payments of $98 over and over again, plus receive those wonderful $98 residual payments The rebilling is automatic through authorized.net, so I absolutely love it. Not to mention, I'm able to accept payments worldwide. So this is a global opportunity, and depending on how you choose to get paid, folks, these are the various options. We even have a manual option. So if one of these doesn't work for you for whatever reason, you don't want to use this, no worries. You can set this up through the manual process and go to town, folks, with this opportunity. It's absolutely amazing. As a matter of fact, there's a brand new sales letter that just recently released, like 2 short days ago. You can use it for your direct mail campaigns, and that alone will allow you, if you wish, to accept offline payments in the form of money orders. So we've got you covered, folks, on all ends. Okay, I literally don't think anything is missing. Okay, step 3, setting up your payment option, explains exactly how to do it. Like I said, we have all these payment processors in the back office. And then this, obviously, once your system is set up, this is the most important. This is how you're going to succeed, getting traffic. Company has all this done for you, set up for you. In the resource section in the back office, all you do is literally choose which method you want to use to market. We've got paid methods, we have low cost paid, we have online, we have offline, and there's even some free methods. Okay, and this is all very duplicatable and all very scalable. You know, those of you who love direct mail order like me, we have you covered on all bases now. From postcards, 7 different unique designs. We have flyers, 2 different flyers for you to choose from, and now a brand new sales letter. So everything is there for you. You want to do online marketing, folks, we have the resources for you to plug into through our CPC, cost per click solo ads, and even the ad copy is provided, what to say, what to use. It's just literally all mapped out for you. It really doesn't get any easier. Here's even suggestions on marketing content. Okay, everything is provided for you, literally laid out right on a red carpet, so to speak, for you. All you have to do is take action. Okay, does not get any easier. And then step 4, all the instructions on getting traffic. There's currently 3 different done for you capture pages. You don't have to create your own capture pages. Done for you sales page with the brand new sales video, built-in autoresponder, pre-written follow-up emails going on your behalf, and all the different proven, tested traffic resources in your back office. Literally plug and play. Now, if you want to use your own autoresponder, for example, if you have a Weber or GetResponse, it's fully integratable, okay? 3 different capture pages to promote. You choose one. There's a form on the page that will create a list for you and will follow up with your new prospects. And you just need a place to see all your opt-ins, and we give you a free back office for that very purpose. This comes with a full-fledged back office. Everything for you to succeed. Okay, literally everything is there for you to literally plug right into. Like I say, plug and play. I can't reiterate that enough. And then the automated letters. This is where the fortunes are made, folks, in the follow-up. There's a total of 10 follow-up email letters that go out over 15 days to help you get results. And if you use the system, use it consistently, advertise, folks, you will get results, okay? Because it's just a very high converting system. Most people, like myself, love instant pay and residual pay. This combines the best of both worlds. This also, in a marketing standpoint, combines the best of both worlds. There's various multiple online options and resources you can use in combination or as a standalone, the offline resources, postcards, flyers, or sales letters. Or you can use all 3 of those if you like offline marketing. And you can also combine it with online marketing. There's also free methods, okay? There's Facebook, there's YouTube, there's all kinds of ways and means to advertise this and get the word out, folks. I absolutely love it. You know, it's fully automated. It really, really is. All you have to do is just promote, share, and advertise your capture page. And in our world, you can never promote enough. You know, there's, like I say, numerous ways to help you to do that. Some are free and some will cost you. So you can pick and choose based on your time and based on your budget. and then reinvest and scale up. Okay, here's the entire full story on traffic. Here's the admin's role, your dose of reality. So you just want to read all this carefully and how to get signups. If you want to go the extra mile, there's ways, simple ways that you can work on improving and increasing your conversions. And it's all stated right here, folks. Okay, so that is that. And I will show you, folks, I've got lots of videos out there. I have lots of review videos. I have lots of proof videos. And if you head over to youtube.com, okay, this is one of the greatest free methods to advertise, okay, is using YouTube. What I do is I use a free screen sharing software like what I'm using right now. It is called Screencast-O-Matic, and I continue to make these videos where I share my screen. So if you go to 98 Unlimited, okay, we will pull this up right here. And as you can see, you're scrolling down, here is one of my most recent videos that I did a important review a couple short days ago, 2 days ago to be exact. This is me. This is my video. You'll come on down. Here's another one of my videos right here. And we'll just keep going downward. Here's another one of my videos on 98 Unlimited. Here's another one of my videos. And as you scroll on downward, you will see here's another one of my videos. And, you know, the list just goes on. So I've got lots and lots of videos. Another one here, here's proof that it works. So I have a combination, folks, of review, overview, updates, and proof of concept, proof videos that this program works, okay? So go ahead and do your research, do your due diligence, and this is the page, folks, that is allowing us to have great results. You get started, you're going to have full access to this already done for you plug and play funnel. AutomatedIncomeRiches.com, folks, okay? So let's wait a second for it to pull up. Here is the page, folks. It's a beautiful page. It builds and creates curiosity. It's exciting, it's revealing, it's compelling, and it's got a short little video on it. And then there's proof inside, folks. And this is what gets people to opt in, okay, the way it is structured. So all you have to do is enter your first name and your email, click this Get Access button, and I will see you and meet you on the inside. My contact information will be below this video in the description, along with my link, AutomatedIncomeRiches.com, okay? So go ahead and check that out for yourself. And you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm just a phone call away. Call me or text me if you need to, but don't think that you have to speak to people, folks, because you don't have to unless you absolutely, positively want to. I've been doing this a long time, folks. I absolutely love connecting with people. I'm here to help you. I love the structure of this platform. The blueprint now fully in place. It is a simple, turnkey, fully automated, proven system. And I know you're going to absolutely love it. So check it out today, folks. Let's get you started. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you very much, and bye for now.